Good morning! Today we are going to New York City!
Yes, I am so excited.
Everyone get ready. The train leaves at 9 o'clock.
I am ready, Dad. Let's go. Mom, can I bring my backpack?
Yes, Allie. Put your water bottle inside.
Come on, family. We don't want to be late.
Dad, wait! I forgot my jacket.
Sara, hurry up! We have 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm coming. Dad, how long is the train ride?
About 1 hour, Allie. You can sleep?
Look, I can see the city from the window. Wow, the buildings are so tall.
We are almost there. Is everyone happy?
Yes, this is the best day ever.
Our first stop is Central Park.
I love Central Park. Can we get ice cream?
Yes, we can. But first, let's walk together. Stay close, everyone. New York is very big.
Mom, look at that hot dog stand!
Allie, stay with us. Don't run.
Dad, I'm hungry. Can we eat something?
Yes, let's find a good place to eat.
Excuse me. Where is the nearest restaurant?
Turn left, then walk 2 blocks. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy New York.
Dad, I see a toy store. Can we go inside?
Maybe later, Allie. Let's eat first.
Mom, I don't feel good. My stomach hurts.
Oh no! Let's sit down for a minute.
Are you okay, Sarah? Do you need water?
Yes, please. I feel a little dizzy.
Here is your water. Drink slowly.
Thank you, Mom. I feel a little better.
Mom, where is my backpack?
What? Allie, you had it 5 minutes ago!
I put it down when I looked at the toys.
Allie, we have to go back and find it.
Oh no! Your backpack has our tickets home!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to lose it.
Don't cry, Allie. We will find it together.
Let's go back to the toy store now.
Excuse me, did you see a blue backpack?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't see one.
Let's check the lost and found office.
Good idea. Stay together, everyone.
Dad, I'm scared. What if we can't go home?
Don't worry, Sarah. We will find a way.
Excuse me, where is the lost and found?
It's inside the park office. Follow me.
Thank you, officer. You are very kind.
No problem. I'm happy to help.
I am sorry, Dad. I was not careful.
It's okay, Allie. We all make mistakes.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. My son lost his backpack.
What does it look like?
It is blue with a yellow zipper.
Is there anything inside?
Yes, water bottle, snacks, and train tickets. Let me check our list. Thank you so much. We really need it. I found it! Is this your bag?
Yes, that's my backpack! Thank you!
Oh, what a relief. Thank goodness.
Great job, Allie. You described it perfectly.
Allie, you were so brave. I learned to describe things clearly in English.
Now let's get something to eat. I'm hungry.
Me too! Let's find that restaurant!
Welcome. Table for 4? Yes, please. A table for 4.
Here are your menus. Take your time.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious. I want a grilled cheese sandwich, please.
I want a cheeseburger and orange juice.
I'll have the tomato soup, please.
Excellent choice.
and I'll have the chicken sandwich.
Anything else for the table?
No, thank you. That's everything.
Mom, how do you say delicious in a sentence?
You say, "This food is delicious."
This grilled cheese is delicious.
My cheeseburger is delicious too.
I'm glad we found your backpack, Allie.
Me too, Dad. I will be more careful.
What did you learn today, Ollie?
I learned to ask for help in English. I learned to describe things clearly.
Very good. I'm proud of both of you. How was everything today? It was wonderful, thank you very much.
Can we have the check, please?
Of course! I'll bring it right away.
Ollie, it's empty.
Here you go. Keep the change. Thank you. Have a great day.
That was the best lunch ever.
Even better because we found the backpack.
Okay, family, next stop, Times Square. Times Square. I saw it in a movie. Look at all the lights and big screens. Wow, it's so bright and colorful.
Let's take a family photo here.
Good idea. Excuse me, can you take our photo? Of course, I'd be happy to. Of course. Say cheese. Look at this. Here you go. Beautiful family. Thank you so much.
Can I buy a souvenir, Dad?
Yes, but only one thing. Choose carefully.
Excuse me. How much is this snow globe?
It's $12.
$12.
Can I have it, please?
Here you go, Allie. Good job asking.
I want a magnet for my room.
The magnets are $5 each.
I'll take the yellow taxi magnet, please.
Great choice. Here you go.
You both asked so politely.
Very good English, kids. I'm impressed.
Mom, can we go see the Brooklyn Bridge?
Yes, it's not far from here.
Wow, look! How do we get there, Dad?
We can take the subway. Follow me. I've never been on the subway before.
Me neither. Is it scary?
No, it's easy. Watch and learn.
Stay close to me on the platform.
Excuse me, which train goes to Brooklyn Bridge? Take the 4-5 train downtown.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
Dad, I asked for directions today.
Yes, you did. You are getting better every day.
Look! We're crossing the bridge!
I can see the whole city from up here. Take a deep breath. Isn't this beautiful?
New York City is truly amazing.
I want to come back here someday.
Me too! Next time I'll know more English.
You already know a lot, Sarah.
Really? What did I say well today?
Everything, sweetheart. You said excuse me and please every time.
Oh, those are important words.
Always use please and thank you.
Got it, Dad. I will remember that.
It's getting late. We should head to the station.
You're right. Let's go catch our train.
I don't want to go home yet.
Me neither, but we'll come back soon.
Come on. The train leaves at 6 o'clock.
We have 30 minutes. Let's hurry.
Excuse me, where is Penn Station?
Walk 2 blocks north and turn right. Thank you very much. Ollie, you asked directions all by yourself.
I'm so proud of you, Allie.
I was nervous, but I did it.
That's how you learn. Just try.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to speak.
What if I say something wrong?
It's okay. People will still understand you. And they are usually very nice.
That's right. Most people want to help.
Can I help you?
4 tickets to our stop, please.
That's $40, please.
Here you go. Thank you.
Dad, I have a question.
Sure, Ali. What is it?
What is the English word for when today was scary but also good?
That's called an adventure, Ali.
Today was a real adventure. Yes, and we all learned so much. I learned to describe things.
I learned to ask for help politely. We're so proud.
Great job, kids.
I learned that my kids are very brave.
And I learned that New York is never boring.
Can we make a list of what we learned? Good idea. I'll write it down.
Number 1, always say please and thank you. Number 2, don't be afraid to ask for help. Number 3, describe things clearly.
Number 4, stay together as a family.
I have one more. Never put your backpack down. Yes, Ollie, never.
Train departing in 5 minutes.
That's us! Everyone on board! We made it! We're on the train!
I'm so tired but so happy.
Close your eyes. You can rest now. Mom, today was our worst day and best day.
Why do you say that, Ollie? Because bad things happened, but we fixed them.
That's the best kind of day, son.
I agree. Today I really learned English.
Sweet dreams, my brave little ones.
Good night, New York. We'll be back.